Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you what I've been making. This is a slab mold, obviously made of pine wood. Now normally these boxes have like a hinge where you can open one side, but in this case this is a different type design. I hadn't actually seen this type of design until I came across a video on YouTube by Rob, and I'll leave a link to his video in the description. His wife is a soap maker and she asked him to make some molds for her, and he came up with this design, and I think it's just amazing. Like, stunned no one else has actually thought of it. So here is the process of this. It's actually 4 sides with 2 legs and 2 hinges on the bottom. So I've got legs here that sit upright. These sit on the table, obviously, and the hinges, well, I'll show you that right now. The actual whole loaf opens up. It splits open. Show you that again. How easy do you think it would be to get your soap out of that? So today we're going to put this to the test. So I've come up with this little idea that I've got Velcro on the sides of the corners where they connect. Little bit of Velcro. And now when you pick it up, it's not going to move. Where before, if you went to pick it up, it would fall apart. So as long as it's on the table, it's going to stay where it is. But if you went to move it, so like you poured your soap and then you went to move it, and it just moves that little bit much, and obviously wet soap can move with it. So we don't want that. So I put on both ends, Velcro there. And Velcro down here. And that's it. Solid, not coming apart. So these are going to be available in my Etsy store. I've been given permission by Rod to sell them in Australia. Unfortunately, they are only available in Australia because the wood is not treated pine. Okay, so now for the measurements. The external measurements are 36 centimeters, which is just over 14 inches, and 18 centimeters, which is just over 7 inches. Now the inside is 33.5 centimeters, which is about 13 inches and a bit. And width-wise, it is 15.5 centimeters, which is just over 6 inches. So if you're in Australia and you would like one of these, contact me and I'll do my best to make them for you. Okay, now on to making some soap with it. Let's test this baby out. So this is the slab mold. I've got freezer paper inside now. I'm not the best at doing this, and I must admit this is a bit harder to do because it splits open. It doesn't open one end, but I did manage to do it, and I'm sure for you experts out there that do these all the time, it would be piece of cake. Because the edges over here, you can see this wrinkle, that will actually turn up in the soap. So I don't really want that in there. And on this side, it's virtually the same thing. So they'll be cut off. And also the end pieces will also be cut off as well. I'm going to make some soap and I'm going to pour it in here, and whatever's left over I'm going to pour into another mold, and we'll see how we go. So I hope you like this video. This is actually my favorite out of all the soaps that I've cut. Just absolutely beautiful, looks like a flower. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this soap and also what you think of this soap mold. I'm going to leave a description and a link to the original designer of this soap mold. I've asked him for permission, Rob, and he's given me permission to make these in Australia. So if you're interested in these, please contact me. I will be making them on demand, but I'll have a few on my Etsy shop very soon. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.